Hello guys, welcome to another lab. In this lab, we are going to discuss about when statement of Ansible. So let's jump into that. So before discussing about when statement, let's discuss about what actually the thing which makes Ansible so powerful. As we know that Ansible is not a programming language, but it has the capability where you can design your instruction document like a programming language. So what are those things which actually makes Ansible a great tool or say powerful tool? So when statement is one of those elements which makes Ansible so powerful. So what actually when statement does? When statement is equivalent like if-else statement which is equivalent to other programming language. It would come very handy when we want to check the condition while execution of the playbook. Suppose if you are creating a playbook for a generic environment where instruction will be executed on the basis of operating system. For example, if we are using a Ubuntu distribution, then then other set of instruction will be executed, and if you are using a CentOS distribution, then the other instructions will be executed. This is one of the example which we will try in our upcoming lab as well. So now you get a glimpse about that why actually we are going to use when statement. So let's jump into that and look into in more detail. So this is what I have already discussed with you. So let's understand that types of conditions. So basically the single condition you can manage it like this. The syntax for handling the single condition is like this. We will use the when keyword and assign the statement over here. Suppose if you have multiple condition, then you can handle like this. So here you can use the operator and then or operator if you want to check about the multiple conditions. If you know how to use Boolean filter, then it would be used like this. So let's jump into hands-on lab and look at what we have to do. So here we are going to perform two exercises. In the first exercises, we need to create a playbook that is called when statement demo, and after that we will look into this exercise which I have already discussed with you. What happened in this exercise? In this exercise we are checking the what kind of a distribution Ansible distribution we are using, and on the basis of that we are generating a file. It is a pretty much simple straightforward example. So let's look into that. I will explain line by line in our lab terminal. So again the same way we will go to the terminal and do our hands dirty. Okay, so what it told that we have to create a file called when statement demo.yaml, and now we will copy paste that thing to save our time. So here what it is doing, again why we are using localhost, you must be knowing that okay we are performing this thing on our local machine where Ansible is being installed. So this is a variable declaration of within the playbook, and the task we have defined two tasks over here, and this two tasks will be executed on the basis of some condition. So here we are providing a name so that we can easily identify that which task is getting executed or which task is executing. So after that we have to check here, it is given that what is the path. So path of this file will be created on the basis of this condition. If it is an Ubuntu distribution, then it will create the Ubuntu distribution. After that, it will check that another condition. If you are using a CentOS machine, then this condition will be executed. Anyway, in this lab, this condition will not satisfy. We are going to get only this output as we are using the Ubuntu system. So let's run this. Control X. Yes. Now how to run it, I told you. Ansible hyphen playbook minus I inventory and then when statement. Now if you run it, oh there is a typo error that is Ansible. Now you run it, it is executing now. So it executed now. So now we need to look into that with what kind of file it has created. To verify that, we will look into temp folder, list out temp folder. So here it has created a Ubuntu distribution on the basis of the condition, which I have already mentioned that if we go into that file, so this is what. So that the reason it has created that file. We will come out. So that's it guys. This is what I wanted to demonstrate in this session, in this lab session. So see you in next session. Bye bye.